Hello and welcome to Bihar Election Tracker. I'm Shubh Bhardwaj, your one-stop source for all the key updates and insights as Bihar heads towards a high-stakes assembly election. Controversy has erupted again over Bihar's liquor ban. Union Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi has called on the state government to withdraw all cases filed against people caught drinking alcohol. He accused the police of targeting poor laborers while ignoring powerful liquor mafias and even alleged that officers and officials themselves are drinking without facing any action. Referring to a past review meeting by CM Nitish Kumar, Manjhi said that those carrying small amounts of alcohol shouldn't be arrested. Yet, in reality, only the poor are being punished. His sharp remarks have reignited debate around the fairness and enforcement of the prohibition law in Bihar. Did Tejasvi challenge PM Modi to contest from Raghopur? Well, actually, it was Deputy CM Samrat Chaudhary's remarks on the murder of Rajkumar Rai. He had asked, and I quote, "Who benefits from the murder?" Opposition leader Tejasvi Yadav called the comment shameful and disgusting and challenged Prime Minister Modi to contest from Raghopur if it matters so much.
क्या प्रकार की सोच? जहाँ तक इतनी राघोपुर की चिंता है तो बोले अपने यहाँ का प्रधानमंत्री को आकर के लड़ना चुनाव कौन रोके हुए?
Union Minister Giriraj Singh has stoked controversy with his remarks in Begusarai, targeting the Muslim community. He accused Muslims of taking government benefits but not voting for the BJP and used the term Namak Haram to describe such behavior. He also claimed that fatwas from mosques influence how people vote, even suggesting it affects their visits to temples. Will Raghopur see a contest between Tejasvi Yadav and Prashant Kishore? Prashant Kishore has dropped a major hint. He may contest the upcoming Bihar elections from Raghopur, taking on Tejasvi Yadav directly. Kishore said that since CM Nitish Kumar doesn't contest elections, Raghopur, Tejasvi's seat, should be seen as Bihar's political karma bhumi. He added that he is considering either Karagar or Raghopur, but the final decision will be taken by his party Jan Swaraj. In Siwan's political drama, the VIP seat this time is Raghunathpur, where friendship turns into fierce rivalry. Former MP Shahabuddin's son Osama Sahab is stepping into the ring, but his opponent is no stranger. It's Shahabuddin's own childhood buddy Manoj Kumar Singh, once allies, now rivals. The election battle just got personal. It's a tale of shifting power playing out in the heart of Bihar's Waris Aliganj. Once known as a stronghold of freedom fighters, this assembly seat has transformed into a battleground dominated by two Bahubalis with long criminal histories, Akhilesh Singh and Ashok Mehto. Unable to contest directly due to ongoing cases, both leaders back family members to fight elections on their behalf. Currently, the spotlight is on two powerful women, Aruna Devi, backed by Akhilesh Singh, and Anita Kumari, expected to contest on Ashok Mehto's ticket. For daily in-depth updates on everything shaping Bihar's political landscape, stay tuned to NDTV's Bihar Election Tracker. This is Shubh Bhardwaj for NDTV.